बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद है तमाम व्यूवर्स और स्टूडेंट्स खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं अकाउंटिंग 2 का पेपर लेकर हाज़िर हुआ हूँ। स्टडी पेपर आपने इसके तमाम शॉर्ट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस और एमसीक्यूज़ को अपने पास नोट करके इसकी बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी करनी है। और ये बार बार याद दहानी इसी वजह से करवा रहा हूँ ताकि आप हर स्टडी पेपर के शॉर्ट लॉन्ग और एमसीक्यूज़ को अपने पास नोट करें और फिर उसके मुताबिक तैयारी करें ताकि बहुत ही अच्छे नंबर्स आ जाएं आपके अकाउंटिंग 2 के अंदर, जो कि ये सेकेंड ईयर जनरल आर्ट्स का ये पेपर है। तो हम पेपर की तरफ आते हैं। हमारे पास एमसीक्यूज़ हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, अटेम्प्ट ऑल मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। नंबर 1, डिबेंचर्स are the certificates of ownership, receipts of loan acknowledgement, medical for company employees, none of these. Number 2, the statement of affairs is similar to trial balance, balance sheet, cash book, income statement. Number 3, when receipts of a non-profit concern of higher than the payments, the difference will be loss, profit, surplus, deficit. Number 4, the share capital by which a company is registered is called issued capital, paid up capital, authorized capital, subscribed capital. Number 5, if company receives share applications more than the offered shares, this is called equal subscription, under subscription, over subscription, lower subscription. Number 6, invoice price is determined thus: list price plus total discount, list price minus trade discount, list price plus cash discount, list price minus cash discount. Number 7, at the time of liquidation, remaining cash is to be distributed among the partners on the opening capital ratio, on the balance of capital at the end, equally on the ending capital ratio. Number 8, in case of an insolvent partner, his capital deficiency is borne by other solvent partners, the government, the bankers, the creditors. Number 9, a machine costing rupees 30,000 depreciated for 2 years at the rate of 5% under diminishing balance method will have accumulated depreciation rupees 2,925, rupees 2,935, rupees 2,915, rupees 2,820. Number 10, if closing capital is rupees 10,000, additional investment is rupees 6,000, drawing rupees 3,600, and profit during the year is rupees 2,600, then the amount of capital at start was rupees 1,700, rupees 3,000, rupees 3,700, rupees 5,000. Number 11, straight line method is also known as reducing balance method, years digit method, fixed installment method, production method. Number 12, under the fixed capital amount, profit or loss is transferred to partner's capital account, retained earnings account, fixed installment method, partner's personal account. Number 13, cost of machine includes 3-year fire insurance, insurance in transit, trade discount, repair cost of damages during installation. Number 14, subscription received in advance is an income, an asset, a liability, an expense. Number 15, the person who takes the initiative in the matter of formation of the company is known as promoter, shareholder, director, registrar. Number 16, the partnership agreement in writing is called partnership registration, partnership at will, partnership deed या फिर partnership certification. Number 17, if old partners are not willing to reduce their capital, then goodwill goes to old partners, new partners, both old, new and old, none of these. Number 18, payment of stock divided by a company increases assets, capital, liabilities, income. Number 19, under diminishing balance method, amount of annual depreciation gradually increase, remain constant, decrease, does not change. Number 20, land is annually depreciated at the rate of 15%, 20%, 25%, none of these. Section B, short answer questions. Note, attempt any 4 questions from this section. Each question carries 10 marks. Question number 2, partnership formation. Shehbaz and Asif formed the partnership on January 1st, 2013. The partnership invests the following assets: Shehbaz and Asif. Cash of Shehbaz is rupees 1,40,000 and cash of Asif is rupees 1,70,000. Land of Shehbaz is rupees 20,000 and land of Asif is nil. Building of Shehbaz is rupees nil and building of Asif is rupees 1,80,000. Equipment of Shehbaz is rupees 80,000 and equipments of Asif is rupees nil. Required, record the above transaction in general journal and prepare balance sheet on 31st January 2013. Question number 3, retirement of partnership. The balance sheet of a partnership firm was as under as of December 31st, 2020. Assets, cash rupees 85,000. Other assets rupees 2,25,000. Equities, Injila capital rupees 2 lakh, Ramila capital rupees 60,000, Nafe capital rupees 50,000. On Jan 1, 2021, Mr. Nafe retired from the firm and is paid the partners' shared profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1:1. He is paid cash rupees 56,000. Required, A, calculate the amount of goodwill of the firm and show its distribution among the partners through journal entry. B, make entries in the general journal to record the retirement of Mr. Nafe. Question number 4, single entry. On Jan 1st, 2021, Crimello started his business with cash investment of rupees 5 lakh. He maintains his accounting records under single entry system. His position on 31st December 2021 was as under. Cash rupees 50,000. Machinery rupees 2,48,500. Accounts payable rupees 20,000. Bank loan rupees 50,000. Accounts receivable rupees 1,70,000. Merchandise rupees 1,50,000. Additional information. Number 1, Crimello withdrew rupees 7,000 per month for his private use. Number 2, additional investment by Crimello rupees 30,000. Number 3, machinery is depreciated by rupees 48,500. Number 4, unpaid salaries rupees 5,000. Number 5, 5% of accounts receivable is esteemed as bad debits. Number 6, loan borrowed from bank on July 1st, 2021. Interest rate is 10% and interest paid semi-annually. Required. Number 1, what is Crimello's capital at the end? Number 2, prepare the statement of profit and loss for the year. Question number 5, partnership division of profit and loss. Hiba, Rida and Zoha are partners with fixed capital of rupees 90,000, rupees 60,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively. The partnership agreement is provided as under. Number 1, each partner allowed monthly salary of rupees 30,000. Number 2, 20% interest on each partner's capital. Number 3, remaining profit or loss to be distributed by capital ratios. Number 4, the net income of the firm for the year ended December 31st, 2022 is rupees 8,70,000. Required. Number 1, prepare an income distribution summary. Number 2, give entries in general journal. Question number 6, partnership liquidation. The partners who own the Big Boss company have agreed to liquidate the partnership. A balance sheet as at March 31st, 2024 is shown as under. Cash rupees 20,000. Accounts payable rupees 1,60,000. Other assets what? Seema capital rupees 1,20,000. Mariam capital rupees 80,000. Faria capital rupees 40,000. The partners share profits and losses equally. Farias is personally insolvent. Required. Give necessary journal entries assuming that other assets are sold for rupees 2 lakh. Section C, detailed answer questions. Note, answer any 2 questions from this section. All questions carry equal marks. Question number 7, partnership admission. Huma and Asma are partners having capitals of rupees 60,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively, sharing profits and losses in their capital ratio. On March 1st, 2025, they admit Saima as a new partner and give him a quarter share, 1/4 share. Required. Prepare journal entries to record Saima's admission under each case separately. Number 1, Saima invests rupees 40,000 and is credited with the entire amount of her investment. Number 2, Saima invests rupees 20,000. The total capital is to be increased by Saima's investment. Number 3, Saima invests furniture rupees 25,000 and sufficient cash. Question number 8, accounting for plant assets. The balance of the following accounts have been taken from the ledger of Faraz and Co. as on December 31st, 2022 before making any adjustment. Machine cost rupees 5 lakh. Allowance for depreciation rupees 50,000. Required number 1, assuming that the company uses the diminishing balance method at 20% for charging depreciation. Calculate depreciation for the year 2022, 2023 and 2024. Number 2, prepare allowance for depreciation account up to December 31st, 2023. Number 3, prepare a partial balance sheet as on December 31st, 2024. Question number 9, accounting for incomplete records. Mr. Noman started business on May 1st, 2024 with an investment of rupees 2,50,000 and maintains his accounting records on single entry basis. On December 31st, 2024, the following information was obtained: cash rupees 85,000, accounts receivable rupees 90,000, merchandise inventory rupees 1,20,000, office equipment rupees 90,000, accounts payable rupees 35,000. During the period, he withdrew rupees 5,000 PM for personal use and made an additional investment of rupees 50,000. Depreciation on office equipment was estimated at 10% per annum and the allowance for bad debits was estimated at 5% of accounts receivable. Accrued salaries rupees 6,000 and prepaid insurance rupees 3,500. Required number 1, compute capital at end. Number 3, prepare a statement of profit and loss for the year ended December 31st, 2024. Number 3, prepare a statement of affairs on December 31st, 2024. तो ये था अकाउंटिंग 2 जो कि आर्ट्स का सेकेंड ईयर का आर्ट्स का पेपर है। उम्मीद है तमाम स्टूडेंट्स ने इसको अपने पास नोट कर लिया होगा और फिर जब आप नोट कर लें तो इसके मुताबिक आपने अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी करनी है ताकि अकाउंट्स के पेपर में भी बहुत ही अच्छे नंबर आ जाएं बाकी पेपरों की तरह। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब भी लाजमी कीजिए। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।